This is a similar machine, but it's been upgraded in many respects to a 650 table, which obviously gives you more capacity. It's got double contact BBT 40 spindle, a Rollercam table, which is quite a nice innovation in the respect that it gives you the speed and accuracy that you would expect from a direct drive table, but without the extra cost.
Eric, it's good to be back here in Hove today. When we come here, we always look at different technologies, and again, we're presented with another 5-axis machine here. What's different about this that you offer to some of your other models within the range?
Well, I know you've done the profile on this machine in the past with the GTX 600 at the time. This is a similar machine, but it's been upgraded in many respects to a 650 table, which obviously gives you more capacity. It's got double contact BBT 40 spindle, a Rollercam table, which is quite a nice innovation in the respect that it gives you the speed and accuracy that you would expect from a direct drive table, but without the extra cost.
Yeah, I've learnt a lot about 5-axis in the last few years, and one of the points you mentioned there, Rollercam, is quite important, not just for what you can deliver today, but ongoing with precision machining, isn't it? It's very agile, it's very solid, and very little wear and tear.
That's true, and as I say, low maintenance and without all the associated costs of a direct drive system. One of the things that we've found, we use it a lot on our Kidamira machine, so it's a Japanese technology that's now filtered through to the lower cost machines.
Now, it's all right if that's solid, stable and all the rest of it, but what about everything else on the machine, Eric? What about your Spindle Technology, managing the other axes on the machine to keep within, precise tolerances? What do you do in those areas?
Well, another upgrade is that we've now got linear scale feedback on all axes on this machine as standard. So, again, that's something that comes with the price of the machine, unlike a lot of our competitors. And also now we've got thermal compensation, so there's sensors around the machine detecting any thermal growth, which is then fed back into the control.
I note here you've got Siemens control here on this one. 5-axis, a lot of the time we're seeing Heidenhain, but Siemens is popular. Can you offer both of those, or in fact more than those two?
Yeah, we've got Siemens, this is the 840D, full 5-axis simultaneous control. We can offer the 828D, which gives you 4+1, again at a lower cost. And of course, Heidenhain 5-axis is available, as is Mitsubishi M800, which is becoming more and more popular.
Okay, now from an operator's perspective, I can understand the points that you make will be very attractive to machine shop owners when they're looking at, value for money. But what about the operator here? Accessibility to the machine. The first thing I pick out is he can go in from both sides, can't he?
That's true. One of the points we looked at is the ergonomics of the machine, and customers often complain that the tables are too high for their operators. Like me, they're probably a bit vertically challenged, so it helps if you've got a very low loading facility there. And the other point we've looked at is really the footprint of the machine, and we've minimised the swarf excavation of the swarf conveyor. Where you look at a lot of machines, there's about 2 metres of swarf system hanging out the side. This is very, very compact, so it's all within about 3/4 of a metre of the machine footprint.